not all of the people, or even most of them, believe free is still great marketing and are still too cheap to measure, but enough to pay the bill. And free may be the best price, but it can't be the only one. So, do you guys have any questions?
Do you think this like online software versions will eventually replace like traditional software that you would actually buy and install?
I'd say there's probably a pretty good chance of that. 'Cause, I mean, people, it's much cheaper to do it that way, quicker. It's much more appealing to most people.
Do you see these websites that are like right now free end up changing since the economy's down to like charging people to use them?
I would say no, because they're not profiting hugely, but they're a big deal to people, and they were talking about how they're thinking that more websites are going to become essentially free like these and going the opposite direction and having more of those than the ones that you actually have to pay for.
Yes. So, I mean, what do you think about, some big, nice ideas for this, free website? I mean, they talked about some the word processor or Excel or possibly some other advertisement site like Google, I mean, but, I mean, what kind of, the functions we currently use on computer is very appropriate for this web business, especially this free model. Any ideas, suggestions? They talked about gaming industry too, Any suggestions which currently do not use this free web model, but maybe it's better idea to transition into this free web-based model?
Well, Microsoft is starting to do that right now, which is helpful, which is what they were talking about. The small businesses are taking, if you're in a small business, you